In front of me is TCL 50SE, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access Accounts. Then hit this little gear next to Google. Tap on Continue and select Google Password Manager. Following that, tap on Passwords at the bottom left corner and click on Add Password over here. Then you can input any website or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Now enter your username, email or phone number. Password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!